Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have these disposal cleaners. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. Guys, these things are so easy to use. It comes with a whole entire year's worth of these. You use about 2 a month, and so there's 24 tablets. We'll use one every 2 weeks. You can use them less or more often depending on how well your disposal is used, because this thing keeps your disposal very fresh. It smells really good, and how it works is basically you open one up, put your water on hot, and just a very small drizzle into the sink. Turn your garbage disposal on, put one of these inside, and it'll foam up for like a minute or two, clean out your disposal, and then you just wash it all down the drain and it's done. And that is how simple it is. It's so easy, guys. And that's my favorite thing about this is it's not one of those things where you have to think about. You don't have to like overthink it, overdo it. You just every 2 weeks, just turn that faucet on a drizzle, put one of these down in the garbage disposal, and you're good to go. It's really, really, really cool. It's really easy, smells great, and it can help you with oil and all kinds of different things in there. Just a very proactive way to keep that clean, keep your garbage disposal system healthy, and I just really like it, and I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.